National Weather Service in Jackson has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Catahoula Parish in northeast Louisiana. This includes the city of Lardo, Concordia Parish in northeast Louisiana. This includes the cities of Monterey, Vidalia, Faraday, eastern Tensas Parish in northeast Louisiana, northern Adams County in southwest Mississippi. This includes the city of Natchez, Claiborne County in southwest Mississippi, northwestern Jefferson County in southwest Mississippi, until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:28 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms. These storms were located along a line extending from 7 miles northwest of Newellton to Helena to 17 miles northwest of Mena, moving east at 40 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lake Bruin and Newellton by 1:35 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Waterproof, St. Joseph and Clayton by 1:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Frogmore and Lardo by 1:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Spokane, Mena and Alcorn by 1:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Central Daylight Time Sunday evening for northeast Louisiana and southern Mississippi. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following parishes in Louisiana: Concordia and Tensas, and the following counties in Mississippi: Adams, Clay.